Can't find that file you know you need? What about the email with that important code? Do you know when you last saw a particular client? What about that data you need for your presentation? Hey there, Google users. Welcome back to Clutter Care Organizing. If you've ever struggled to locate a crucial file, email, client info, or data within your Google Workspace, you're not alone. Here's a game-changing tip. Google Search isn't just for the internet. It's incredibly powerful inside all of your Google apps as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to harness the power of Google Search within your apps to quickly find those items you're missing. Let's get started showing you how to save you time and stress. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. When someone says Google it, they mean go to google.com and search the whole internet for information about a specific term, word, company, or topic. The results you get will include websites, YouTube videos, and other related info. Did you know that Google owns YouTube? They are one and the same company. They are both known for the ability to find the information you're looking for by using search words. Google has included the same search capabilities within each of its apps. Therefore, you can search in your Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Docs, Sheets, and more. In your Gmail, you can search for words, who the email was to or from, if it has an attachment, and you can use the advanced search to get more specific with dates or a combination of these factors. In Google Drive, searching for words also searches the content of your files, not just the titles, and it includes text in images due to its optical character recognition capabilities. In Google Drive, you can search for words, type of file, owner, and more. The advanced search, again, lets you use a combination of these factors. In Google Calendar, you can search for words, people, or use the advanced search for a combination. In Google Docs, search for terms that you have included in your document. In Google Sheets, you can search for a word in one particular sheet or in all sheets in that file. I hope that this has shown you that Google Search is not just for the internet. For example, searching within your Google Apps worked so well that the former technology director in the school district I worked in never used folders in Google Drive because it was faster for him just to search his drive for the specific files he needed. As a professional organizer, I don't necessarily recommend no folders, but the point is that you don't have to make your folders overly complicated because the search functionality is so powerful. You should be using it inside of your Google account to find what you're looking for. To learn more tips like this, register for my online classes where I give all of my best tips and tricks to keep you organized and efficient in all the most important apps. Or join one of my digital organizing workshops to ensure you make time to get organized and have me by your side to give you tips and pointers along the way. If you want help setting up or customizing any app for you or your business, schedule a clarity call with me so we can discuss how I can help you most. All links are below, or visit my website at cluttercare.net. I look forward to helping you succeed.